In this video, we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF of 6, 72 and 100 by using the prime factorization method. So first we are going to use the prime factorization method to find the LCM of the three numbers. So we are going to be using the single ladder method where we are going to write all the numbers on a single ladder and find the LCM of the numbers. So 6, 72 and 100 all are even numbers. So we can easily divide these numbers by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 5 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 times 0 is 0. Again we are going to use 2 to divide 36 and 50. 3 is a prime number, so we are going to write it as is. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 is remainder. This becomes 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Now we will use 3 to divide 3 and 18. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. And 25 is not fully divisible. We'll write it as is. Now let's divide 6 by using 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 25 is not fully divisible. We'll write it as is. Now 3 is a prime number. It is divisible by number 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And 25 is as is. Now 25 is divisible by number 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 is a prime number. It is only divisible by number 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So all the numbers are fully divided. To find the LCM, we are going to take the product of all the numbers on the left hand side of the ladder. So 2 times, 2 times, 3 times, 2 times, 3 times, 5 is the LCM of the three numbers. So the LCM of the three numbers is 1800. So this is how we find the LCM of the three numbers. Let's find the HCF of the three numbers. So for finding the HCF, we need to find the common factors in between the three numbers. So first we'll find the factors of all the numbers separately. We are going to divide 100. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 0 is 0. Again we are going to divide by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 is remainder. This becomes 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 25 is divisible by number 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 is 5. So this is fully divided. Let's divide 72. It is also even. We can divide by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Again we are going to use 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. And 9 is divisible by number 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3. Let's divide number 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times 1 is 3. So all the numbers are fully divided. Let's write the factors of the numbers. 100 is 2 times 5 times 5. Factors of 72 are times 2 times 3 times 3. And factors of 6 are 2 times 3. We need to find the common factors in between the factors of the three numbers to find the HCF. Here we see that there is a common factor of 2 in between all the three numbers. And then there is no common factor in between the three numbers. So the only common factor in between the three numbers is 2. So the HCF of the three numbers is 2, which is the highest common factor. So this is how we find the LCM and HCF of the three numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.